Hello. Um, we're pretty close to being able to make a little video that shows each of our characters animating. Um, so I want to set up virtual cameras today, and then we use a timeline to switch from one virtual camera to the other. We cannot do virtual cameras until we get Cinemachine involved. So we need a couple more features added to Unity. Typically, we would think we would do that in assets, but with the newest version of Unity, they have something called the package manager. So we're going to go to the package manager from the window menu. And it will list some standard packages here in a second. We'll probably be using Unity Timeline. So for Cinemachine first. So click up in the search bar, type Cine, C-I-N-I. Sorry, C-I-N-E. If you want to type the whole thing, you can, but you can see right down here, it's looking and loading. And even though it says no results, if we wait a couple seconds more, we'll see it pop up. So, and hopefully maybe you have a better connection at home and you will see it quicker than I do. So there it is, Cinemachine. And you can see down here is an install button. So you click install and you let it do its thing. I'm going to pause while mine does its thing, and I'll come back and we'll also install the timeline. So you can see it's an importing installing scripts. That's probably what you're seeing. I came back before it was done, sort of just to make sure you can see things. I think I'll pause again. Okay, so my finished and the window went away. I'm not sure. Well, sorry, my computer's really slow. So I'm going to click all packages again. Oh, the import's still in progress. So I will wait a little longer. Come back to you again in a moment. Oh, I just realized I was mistaken. I thought this said import in project. It actually says import in project. We don't need to import the example. I'm going to click all packages again. Or let's go to built-in packages. Actually, we need to take away Cine. So remove that word, go back to all packages. Ooh, that's way too many. Let's go to in project. So it looks like the timeline's already here because it's got a check mark next to it. So we have the Cinemachine here and we have the Unity, we have the Unity timeline here. So that's basically all we need. Go ahead and close this window, and what you should notice is you now have a Cinemachine menu here. So I'm going to stop there for now and start a second video for the next step of our cameras. So hope that goes well for you.